Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Forms. I've gone away from Google Forms. I'm a really big fan of Office 365. They've really stepped it up, and with the integration of OneDrive, it's just made it super powerful. I wasn't a big fan of OneDrive, but now I've moved over completely to OneDrive, and it's really an integrated system, and you can do so much. So let's get into it. So I'm online at the moment, so I'm in my Office 365 account on my Excel there. I've opened up Excel, so you really need to open up Excel before you start your form. So then you want to go Insert, you want to create a form, you want to create a new form, and then you're given this interface. There's a lot of tutorials on how to create forms, so I'm just going to just create one new now. Volunteer sign. I'm just going to do V2 because I've already done one. I made one year before, so I've also got my little questions here beforehand, so I can copy and paste. A good idea to do the questions beforehand. So what I'm trying to demonstrate is not just the form and the power behind the form. So I'm going to add a new there's a text field because I can get it to generate emails to a variety of different people based on people's responses as well. So it makes it super powerful, like ridiculously powerful. So so the name, so that's fair enough. It's pretty straightforward. Required. Another text, we want their phone number, we always want that required as well, and we want the email address, so we want that required as well. Now, what role are you applying for? Because they're a volunteer database, we're trying to click volunteer, so what role are you applying for? So that should have been choice, so I'm going to delete that. That's choice there, what role are you applying for? And as I said, I've got these 4 choices there. I just copy them all, and then I can just paste it, and it will do it all for me. Just make sure I remove the last one there. So I've got that. So basically, I'm setting up. If they chose back of house, it'll go to the back of house manager, the email saying how this person's applied, or it could go to the bump in manager or the bump out manager. So you can really customize the form to actually send email responses to the right department. And then I'm going to ask the most important question: what football team do you support? Well, that's a big question in industry. So we'll choose choice again. And as I've already got them all prepared, I can now just copy and paste. Geez, mouse. A bit crazy there. Okay. And I can copy and paste. And just remember to delete that last one and cause you a better grip. So there I have my form. I'm very ready to have my form. Okay, I finished my form and I can preview it and then fill it in. But I don't want to fill that one because I haven't really set that one up properly. In the background, so I'm going to use my one that I have set up previously, and it's driven by these things called Power Automate, which is a really powerful feature with your platform. So it comes with Office 365, and these are the 2 little scripts I've written. Don't have to be coder, little bit of learning curve, but not too big. And so then I'm going to fill this form in, and so I'm going to put my name as Bob and my 555 number, just in case people call me. I'm going to be carried away there. I'm going to put in my email address, and then I want to do bump out, and of course I bake for Hawthorne. Like who doesn't bake for Hawthorne? Okay, so I'm going to press submit. So what that's going to do is it's going to send me as the organizer an email saying hey, and it's also going to send Bob an email about him signing up to the form. So 2 emails get generated. So I really want to understand the power of it because I can customize each email depending what choice they make as well. I can customize an email based on the job they write, or it can go into different departments, but I'm just focusing on Hawthorne because it's really important. So I press submit. So in theory, this is my work email, so I should get an email there. Yep, look. Hey Garth, staff member Bob, support Hawthorne, make sure he gets a job. And this is Bob's email. It's me really, but look at that. So, hi Bob, thanks for signing up to the volunteer bump out position. I see you support Hawthorne. This is a great choice, and this will make you very happy. Sorry, I got tongue tied there. So you can see just by setting up the form properly, you can generate emails, but they can generate lots of emails based on the person's decision. So you can use this not just for volunteer process, you can use this for storeholders, you can use it for contractors. There's so many ways you can use it, just getting information from customers, but just providing that response as well, and then also empowering your staff to be able to take action and giving them the emails they need as it fills in. And then in the background, we've got our wonderful Excel spreadsheet there. We can then preview our results. Just go back to that. These are our spots. I've already done a few. There's some graphs depending on the, see, everyone's been choosing Hawthorne, which is great. People can choosing different roles. And then also I can view the responses actually in Excel as well. So the whole database there as well. So which makes it super cool. Okay, so we've got this wonderful database that's been filled in by my volunteers, and I want to communicate with them again. I want to do some mail merges. So I want to send all these lovely people there. So they're filled in the form twice. A nice one there wasn't filled in twice, but for the sake of the argument, they're all different people. So I highlight the ones I want to send an email to. I've already predetermined this email, and you can predetermine many emails. So it's like a mail merge. It is a mail merge, not like a mail. It is. And I can create flow, and I've already created one, but it's quite easy to create. By just clicking on this and just follow the instructions. But here's one I've created already. So I press play and then I run it. And then you'll see in my inbox 2 emails should come in saying that congratulations, I've got the job. There's Andy's email, congratulations Andy, and there's Bob's email. And there's 2 other emails that also got sent in my the Andy and Bob as well there, Joe. So you can see that's where the power is. So I've just automated a whole lot of processes to make my life easier. A little bit of getting your head around, but using the forms, using the database, and then be able to do some customizing. So it's really about customizing your process and communicating with people well, and just using the power of Office 365. And this is why I love it so much. And I really encourage you to really explore this, and because you've got so many subscriptions out there, you know, Trello, mail merges, all these different platforms, when Microsoft does such a great job of bringing it all together. So good luck and enjoy your experience of using Office 365.